Activist Sonam Wangchuk on Tuesday described the revocation of his detention under the National Security Act as a win-win situation, signaling a possible breakthrough in the ongoing standoff between Ladakh's civil society groups and the centre. Wangchuk said the move reflects the centre's willingness to build trust and open the door for meaningful dialogue with the people of Ladakh. He indicated that the development could help ease tensions and pave the way for discussions on long-pending demands. Outlining his next steps, Wangchuk said he would return to Ladakh to consult key stakeholders, including leaders of the Leh Apex Body and the Kargil Democratic Alliance. These groups have been at the forefront of a sustained agitation over the past 5 years, demanding full statehood for Ladakh and inclusion under the 6th schedule of the constitution. The revocation of the detention order is being seen as a significant gesture by the centre, raising hopes of resumed engagement and a possible resolution to the region's political demands.